Adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They give us information about nouns, such as size, big, small, color, blue, purple, shape, round, square, opinion, expensive, cheap, age, old, young, temperature, hot, cold, material, wooden, plastic, quantity, some, many. For example, cute cat. Cute is an adjective, cat is a noun. Big cake. Big is an adjective, cake is a noun. Adjectives can appear in two common sentence patterns. The first is before the noun, adjective plus noun, which is the most usual way. For example, she has a white puppy. Here, the adjective white comes before the noun puppy. The second pattern is after a linking verb, like be, seem, look, feel, and more. For example, they are thirsty. When we use more than one adjective before a noun, we follow a natural order in English. The usual order is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, noun. Here's an example. She bought a lovely, small, old, round, red, French, wooden, cooking pot. Let's look at some more examples. The old man walked slowly. We visited many countries last year. The swimming pool is big. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.